Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do infinite hovering animation in Blender. So we're gonna use cube, for example, and we're gonna click N, and we'll move Z position to, let's say, over here, and we're gonna click I to add keyframe. We'll move to frame number 41 and move Z position, let's say, over here, and we're gonna click we're gonna add another keyframe, and in frame 81 we'll move it down like this and add another keyframe. So what we end up is this, but it stops over here. Now the way to loop this infinitely, we're gonna go add a new window, and we're gonna go to graph editor. Make sure these keyframes are selected, and we'll click on this Z location, add modifiers, and over here where it says add modifier, we're gonna click cycles, and as you can see, it creates a very nice loop. And when you click play button, you will see that this cube will infinitely go up and down. So this is a very quick tutorial on how to do this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.